Mexico is a territory built in layers. Layers of people. Layers of material. And layers of history. Every city begins somewhere. And every city is built from something. As cities continue to grow, their demand for resources grows with them. Materials are extracted. Buildings are constructed. And eventually, waste is produced. Fragments. Remains of previous structures. Materials we have learned to call waste. But what if waste is the beginning?
Every material begins as a recipe, a combination of ingredients, some familiar, some organic, some unexpected. But together, they become something else. Our project explores how construction waste can re-enter the material cycle. A biomaterial created from construction waste and natural binders, while proposing a new future, transforming what was discarded into a resource once again. The material is only the beginning. It becomes part of a larger system, a system capable of adaptation, growth, and transformation. An architecture designed around cycles instead of consumption. Because perhaps the future is not about taking more, but about learning how to build from what already exists.
The main reason why we decided to work with construction waste was the raw fact that 37 to 40% of global CO2 emissions were provoked by the construction sector, so we thought that it would be a pretty powerful problem to attend.
One of the biggest challenges was finding a recipe that actually worked, because we tested several bioplastic formulations, but many either lacked strength or developed mold over time. So we continued testing, and eventually we found a mixture that bonded well with construction debris and remained stable. So from there we focused on refining it to improve its rigidity and overall performance. And while the results are promising, we hope to continue improving its strength for future architectural applications.
Unlike conventional construction materials, our biomaterial is designed for community-led construction rather than industrial production. It enables people to reuse locally available construction waste and transform it into new structures, making building more adaptable, accessible, and circular.